So guys, first I want to show you my backpack from the last video. It's really nice. What's up guys? You know, for you it's probably another week, another 2 weeks, maybe the same week, I don't know whenever I will post this, because by the time I record all these videos I don't have even post my number 1 AliExpress unboxing, because I'm not prepared for that now. I have only the current time I upload this video, I shoot this video, I have 33 followers on YouTube. That amount of followers. Only when I get more, then I will post more, of course. This video will have 2 parts because some of the gear I wanted for my cosplay, this is a cosplay video, are not here yet, but I will open some of them. But I will show you them later when all is completed. I will also show you how I built my own cosplay. So check it out. Is it the AliExpress unboxing or is it Let's Build Cosplay? I don't know. What you will call it? I have not so many fans, so tell me your opinion in the comments and I will maybe change the title next time to your ideas. Hey, a green one. Never seen that. Oh my god, I use green screen. How will this package even look? My gosh. Gray one, you can't see that normal. Crazy. Do you see Squirtle? Because he's blue, but maybe camera sees it as green at the program I did my video. Whatever. Let's open this one, it's a little bit lighter. A little bit smaller. Don't want to destroy it. Maybe I need a second camera for close-up. Maybe my phone for close-up. Another grey bag! Cool! I always wanted another grey bag. Guess it's not for the cosplay. Guys, I don't check them before. What is it? It's mystery. It's mystery unboxing, you never know. It's actually tanked up. I will review it for you guys as well. It looks doesn't smell different than H&M, and whatever. Quality looks not even so bad, like it's really fake material. I've always had to hide my eyes for some reason, or it will always focus on me. I have no idea how you'll see that. See, it's not this, the package, it's this. It's the whole thing, not just that. You see that photo? I've never seen green before, it's really beautiful. Thank you, whoever made the package. You know why it is green? Because it's a magical one, it's a magical package. No. You can guess what it is. Sorry. It's a wardrobe of a magician, and it's really beautiful. And I will wear it for you guys. I'll wear it for you guys when it's finished. Right now I will not show it to you. But it's still one package left. I think I haven't showed you. I need a second person who works for me who like throws me the packages like I can throw it away and then reverse the video and that will make me break it. Actually, this looks so cool. It's really 3D embossed. You see? And not all on the same level, like some things are higher, this is higher than this, and this is lower than this. You know, it's like really good. Here's the back side, here's the front side. Okay. Wow. Some sides are, I say, normal. Some sides are really amazing. Like it's almost half off. Your dark spells and your light spells, probably. You know, when I have my magician things on, then I will use maybe a light like this. You know, the light before. Then maybe some smoke. Then make a really cool video. Wait here. If you just could see how my room looks when I shoot these videos. Usually this is on the back. When the shelf is blocking my green screen, and the green screen is also make me go even further between all the things. Can you focus me? Okay. Wait. I will do something haram for you guys. Focus. You know what I mean? It will be I'm pretty sure it will be damn amazing. But it's not finished. Some things I'm going to build for the cosplay, and they're not here yet. So I'm glad you watched another episode, and stay tuned for the next part. Probably the next part I will put together in this video, so you don't have to wait for it. Thank you so much. It's Mr.HighTech. I'm gonna keep that. I will go in the next Nergula cafe, hookah cafe, and wear this hat. See you next time, Mr.HighTech. Bye. I really want to read it. I can't read it. Squirtle. Shaking. What's up guys, it's Mr.HighTech. I don't know if you noticed, but today is another day. Yeah, let's put the camera a little bit more away. I'm a little bit sick. Don't get angesteckt. And yeah, I'm testing the Creator app right now to control the camera via my phone. So the camera is set. Let's go and unpack my next packages, which I got for my cosplay. First I got a really small package. I guess it's not for my cosplay, but whatever. Let's take out my lovely knife and let's make it open. Really nice packaging. And it's a variable ND filter. It hopefully is the right size and fit my camera. Yes, it should be. But I really like the case for it. It's really practical. Yeah. Yeah, the next thing is something big, guys. You will not believe how big. It's the biggest AliExpress package I got, however. I think even it's from Tunnel, whatever, you know the drill. Are you ready for this bad boy? My gosh, there's not even the place to open it. You cannot even see. Let's just open it here right now. Yeah, let's open it. One boxy thing. One circular thing. I don't know what is it is. Well, probably I know. What can be that? Another tripod? No way, guys! Another boxy thing! This is probably why the package is so big. What is it? Okay, probably you can already see it. Let's put this one down here. Yeah! I always wish for that. And some other things I always wish for. And this one, you will see. Will probably replace my Shiggy Squirtle for you English guys. Is that really all? I don't know. So, what will I open first? I guess this package looks really cool. Let's open this. Reusable zip bag, that is really cool. Always usable when you go in places like vacation and stuff. You can always use that for your shampoo bottles and stuff. Yeah, this one I will keep. So, this is already part of the cosplay. I guess I have to put my hat back on again. So you know who's in charge. I hope it looks good. Yeah. Another reusable zip bag. Thank you guys. So this thing is out of leather and you will put that on your belt. You will see later what I will do with it. Then this has to be the belt with it, I guess, or was it another belt? I don't know. I have to take off the clipper. Okay. This is like really long leather belt. This is another one. I will build something with that. You will see soon in this video. You will see. So this one has to be the ampulla, the glasses for the belt thing. I hope so. If they are not included, I'm really pushed. It's so strong. Already broken it almost. Recycle, guys. Come here, look what I have. A little glass bottle. Little glass bottle. You can put that away, put that in. It's sealed. Drink your magic proportions. You'll put that in your belt. So you have always your magic drinks, one for health, one for mana, one for agility stuff, you know? It goes on, like that. Let's put it here. Recycle. These are also to build the same thing which I need the leather belt for. I wanted to open it slightly to reuse it, but I cannot use it anymore. It's ripped off like the victims of P. Diddy the Hurensohn. You can guess what I will build with them. Well, this is kind of, you know, for your backpack. If you don't have this thing in the middle of your backpack, you can put that on the right side, on the left side, or opposite in the camera. Then close it like that. I don't know why there's little small ones here. We'll see. What is this package? I guess I know. I remember suddenly. I have other things and I don't think about them extra because I want to be surprised when they arrive. But this one, I guess I know what it is. Yeah, man. Another cool gear for the wizard. Here is your best drink ever. You can put that also on your belt with these little things. And here is a big one. Put back on your belt. Cool. Well, let's open this. Almost lost it in the black hole. Here, everything is lost. Another zip bag, cool. Look, can you see it? It's a magic stone which gives you more mana if you wear it. You guessed it. That's my magic wand as a wizard, and it's not even small. And then, here you can use it as, you know, the Gehstock. Fuck it. But it looks real nice. And this is the least exciting one. That's why I keep it for the last, because I can already kind of hear it what it is. Well, because I'm working with leather, these things, in combination with these things, it will help me build it. Stay tuned, stay on the video, and I will show you. Stop it.